Hi everybody, hope you're doing great. Today I'll be discussing e-liquid flavoring company, Flavorah. So who is Flavorah? Short answer, a company that creates concentrated vapor flavorings. But they are so much more than that. Due to the recent vaping prohibition, I've decided to look into DIY e-liquid mixing. I found that there are several great flavor companies out there, and a few are always on top for popularity. Flavorah is one of them. Located in Seattle, Washington, Flavorah was founded by U.S. Marine Corps officer Brendan Woodward in 2013 after handing out cig-like vape devices to help his fellow platoon members to quit smoking cigarettes. Advocates in the vaping community, their mission at Flavorah is to empower tobacco harm reduction so that individuals can eliminate cigarettes from common use. They create concentrated vapor flavorings from the ground up that are so good, smokers never need to strike a match again. Flavorah flavorings are not made or derived from tobacco, and they do not contain nicotine. Their flavoring for e-liquid is a raw, highly concentrated food-grade material made for creating vapor products, so they can't be vaped directly. They need to be further processed by adding them to a VG/PG e-liquid base. It is recommended to not use more than 5% flavorings in each batch of e-liquid. Flavorah's potent flavorings are made for vaping, making them more cost-effective than diluted multi-purpose flavorings from the candy and baking industry. Flavorah flavorings are not intended to be used with nicotine. You can use it of course, but they do note that nicotine can alter and detract from the full flavoring profiles. 100% of their flavors are formulated to be used for e-liquid without added sweeteners, colors, or preservatives. Because they are food-grade flavorings compounded in an FDA-inspected facility, their flavors can also be used in food and beverages. A really cool feature they offer is the Art of DIY Vapor, a how-to recipe book about mixing e-juice using Flavorah flavorings. The book has a ton of recipes in several categories to appeal to all palates. Due to the current vaping bans, I've decided to stock up on a good amount of flavors. I've made some great tasting simple batches so far, and I plan on making some recipe videos on some of my favorites. If you'd like to stock up on some Flavorah flavorings for yourself, just click on the info link in the description box below this video. To help out, Flavorah is offering a 15% off discount code to get you started. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and connect with me on my social sites. Have an excellent day, and may the vape be with you.